Hey, here's a quick product review video. I have here a 3.5mm filter. This is for the ground loop isolator. What this does is it gets rid of the humming or buzzing background noise that you hear when you connect your iPhone or your smartphone to your car audio system using the auxiliary output. Now, the reason why I purchased this one is for my desktop speaker at my work. When I connect my headset, what I hear is this. When the music isn't playing, you'll hear that white noise in the background. Now I'm gonna remove this and connect it to this. And here you go. The sound should be completely gone and quiet now. Okay, so it does work. This product cost about 10 bucks. Comes in a package like this. I'll have the link in the description. Go check it out. So if you do have the problem when you connect your iPhone or smartphone to your car stereo and you hear that buzzing noise, go ahead and purchase this and it will get rid of that noise. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.